Hello again, everybody. Hello and welcome. Hope you're all well. Today we're going to carry on with our Esp32 playlist. We're going to be looking at serial communication and how our ESP communicates with our computer. All we need for this, we need no modules. Just need our Esp32 connected to our serial port. All right, we needed to our serial port. All right, so just a quick overview of how our Esp32 communicates with our computer. Now on either side there's going to be a transmit and a receive. All right. And for this, we use a thing called a UART, a Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmission. All right, and the way it works on both sides, as you can see here, we've got the two devices. You got the transmitter going to receiver, makes sense. And on the other side, you've got transmitter going to receiver the other way. If you had them going TX to TX, RX to RX, it wouldn't work, would it? All right, so it makes sense TX to RX. Now, on the Esp32, we've got our UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. All right, and that goes to our, down our UART USB and goes to our COM port on our computer. Now, the COM port I've got is COM port 3. Yours might be different. All right. So what I'm going to do, just go over here. Let's go to here. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to move myself. I've moved myself out of the way. That's all right then. Okay. So make sure file new sketch if you need a new sketch. Make sure that your board's attached here. And we look down here. All right. Now, the way they communicate, they use a baud rate, if you like, a speed at which they communicate. Now down here to the right hand side, all right. Oh, first of all, I'm jumping the gun. Let me show you how to start the serial monitor. It's tools. I have a serial monitor there. Okay, opens it. Or we can go here and click on serial monitor. Our baud rate. Now, with the Arduino, we used to communicate at 9200, I believe it was. If I can get this. Yeah, baud rate of 9200, because it's only 8-bit. But with the Esp32, we can connect at 115200 baud rate. A lot faster, okay? Because the board is a lot faster. All right. So let's just quickly show you some quick settings. Remember, voice setup, things we only want to happen once. So the first thing we need to do is turn on our serial port and the speed we're going to communicate at. So it's brackets on. So serial.begin, brackets on. 115,200. Yep. Same as down here. All right. And semicolon. Oh, just give me a minute. Let me just quickly move myself out of the way. There we go. All right. So serial.begin, brackets on. 155,200. Brackets off, semicolon. Now we want to print. All right, serial.print ln. So it's going to print in a line. Brackets on, quotes. Anything we put in these quotes will be written to the serial monitor. Okay, Esp32 initialization complete. Okay, you can put a exclamation mark in there if you want. All right, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, that's all we need in our serial setup. Bring this up. Okay, go to our loop. Things we want to happen time and time again. All right, enter. Serial dot print. This time F. All right, serial dot print F. Brackets on. Okay, running time. You can put let's put colons, and then it's percent. Okay, dot if space n s backslash. Oh, what's going on here? I don't know what's gone in here. Edit, undo. Right. If S. What the? I don't know what's going wrong here. I really don't know what's going on in here. Bear with me, just let me sort this out. I don't know what was going on there. I really don't. Okay, I really don't. Let's try again. Backslash, that's all right. N. For some reason, we've lost our quotes. Okay, running time. Percent dot. That's, I think, LF space S backslash N quotes. Okay, comma, millis, brackets on, brackets off, space forward slash space 1000 dot OF. I think it might be 0F actually. 0F. And it's a small f. Okay. Oh, what is happening? Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. So we've got this serial print F, then we want to delay. And we do it in milliseconds. Come outside, semicolon. Simple little program, let's hope it works. Compiling, compiling, compiling. Millis means numbers to keep counting, okay? Okay, we're uploading. No problems with that. Uploading, there we go. 70, 80, 90, 100%. And there's our serial monitor and there's our runtime. If we look at the beginning, Esp32 initialization completed. There's our runtime. And we're going in seconds. All right, we're going in seconds. Now, I just want to quickly do a quick sketch on serial read and write. Serial read and write. So, let's go to our top. We need some variables first. And the first variable is string. Space input string. All right. Input string equals quote, quote. Come outside the quote, semicolon, enter. All right. String, input string. Then we want bool. space for Boolean, string complete. All right, string complete, space equals false. Right, semicolon. Enter. So what we've done here, a string to hold the incoming data. All right, that's why this is empty. And string complete is whether the string is complete. It tells us. All right, so we come to our void setup. We've got to put in our serial.begin, brackets on 115 200. All right, then we want our serial.print line. And take this all out. Okay, so a print line, and it is string. Quotes. Sorry, backspace. Brackets on. Quotes. Backslash. N. Esp32. Space. All right. Initialization complete. All right. Completed. All right. Completed. Exclamation mark, space, backslash, N. Come outside the quotes. Come outside of the brackets. Enter. Right. It's now plus string. All right. Brackets on. Quotes. Please input some characters. All right, please input some characters. Bracket. Backslash. Okay, N. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Then it's plus string, brackets on, quotes, select, backslash, new line, backslash. Oh, what's going on here? New line, backslash, quotes. Okay. Below and click send button. Come outside the quotes. Backslash N. Okay. Come outside. What have we done there? Sorry about that. Below and click send button. Full stop, space, backslash, N. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets. Come outside the brackets. And that's that. All hunky-dory. And that's our setup done. All right. let's go to our loop. All right. Let's go into our loop. We can delete all this and enter. All right, if brackets on serial dot available brackets on brackets off space, no exclamation mark, curly brackets, char for character, read one character. All right, so that's what we're doing. Judge whether data has been received, and we're going to read one character. Char in char. Okay, equals serial dot read, brackets on brackets off, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Input string, all one word, capital S on the string, input string, plus or equal to in char, capital C on the char, semicolons, enter. Next one, we've got another if in this. If brackets on in char, capital C on the char, equals space, semicolon, and it's a backslash n, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, no semicolon, curly brackets, come down a bit, let's come down a bit so we can see where we are, curly brackets, enter. String complete equals true. So what that's saying is, once you've input the characters, press the send button, and that's telling it it's complete. All right. Okay. Let's come back up a little bit. So, come outside two curly brackets and enter. All right. If string complete, if brackets on string complete, excuse me, capital C on the complete, come outside the brackets, no semicolon, curly brackets, serial dot print f brackets on input string capital S on the string, colons, space, percent S, space, backslash N. Okay, why didn't the let me just do this, quotes, input string, percent S, backslash N, quotes, okay, comma, space, and it's input string. Okay, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter, input string, capital S on the string, okay, space equals space, quote, quote, come outside the quote, semicolon. So what that's saying is, when you've input the string, put it in between these two quotes. All right, enter. String complete. Capital C on the complete equals false, and semicolon. Right, okay, then we got 1, 2 curly brackets to close. Okay, so all the colour looks like they've changed correctly. Shall we run it? Let's see what happens. Hopefully we've got no issues. Yes, we have. Right, I think right. Serial print line plus string quotes input. This probably won't have a bearing on it, but some characters. String brackets on quotes. We input some characters, comma, / brackets. Right, it's saying not to have semicolon there. Plus string, got an A there. Typo, new line, blah, blah, blah. Brackets, brackets, semicolon. Let's try again. So we had an extra, that's habit, that is. That's habit, putting that semicolon there. Okay. So we only had the one issue, really. Only had the one issue. And we're connecting. Nearly there, nearly there. Okay, so let's go to serial monitor. Select new line below and click send button. Okay, we can see everything started. So, hello all. And there we go. Input string, hello all. Hello all, hello all. Great stuff. Okay, we got it working. All right. So that is input serial read and writes. All right, serial read and writes. Okay, great. All right, next time we're going to be doing reading the voltage of a potentiometer. All right, that's what we're going to be doing next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.